to open HSBC bank account in UK for international students. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to open HSBC bank account in UK as an international student. So first of all you have to do is just simply come to the official website of hsbc.co.uk and you will be landed to the official website of HSBC, and after that just simply hover your cursor over the banking section from the top menu, and under the current account section you will be able to see a bunch of different kinds of bank accounts. Just simply click on the international student account from there, and over here you have the HSBC bank account for international student, where you need to fulfill certain criteria in order to be able to open the bank account with HSBC. And once you have read the criteria and everything, just simply click on apply now while scrolling down at the page itself. So in order to be able to open the HSBC bank account as an international student, you should not be an existing HSBC customer and you should be aged above 18 years. You should be currently living in UK or on one of the following countries in UK. So this is the basic criteria that you need to fulfill. So if you fulfill all these criteria, just simply scroll down and click on confirm and start. And then on this page you need to complete this 5-step application in order to be able to open the bank account successfully. So in the first section you need to enter your personal details like your email address, your first name, your last name, your gender, date of birth, place of birth, nationality, marital status and other things. And then once you have filled in all these details, just simply click on continue, and on the next page you need to enter your current address details. For example, where you're living in UK right now, you need to enter your address along with your zip code and your mailing address and other details. And after that, on the next page you need to enter or upload all the documents related to the HSBC verification in order to be able to open the bank account, and then just simply upload them. And on the next page, just simply review the application that you have submitted and the details that you have mentioned. And if you find anything wrong, just simply edit the detail and make sure to fill in all the details correctly. And after that, just simply submit your application and just wait for the HSBC to verify or approve your bank account. And once your application get approved with HSBC Bank, you will be able to receive your debit card number and your bank account details in your email address, and then you are good to go. So this is basically how simple it is to open your HSBC bank account in UK as an international student. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.